how to fix Doordash location. So whether you're a delivery driver or you are a person using Doordash to order food, here's how we can fix the location. Open up your phone settings, and here we will search for Doordash. Now, like I said, if you are a Dasher, then you will click on the Dasher app, or if you're just trying to order food from a different location, you click on Doordash like this. Here you will see the first option is location. Currently for me it's turned off. Now make sure this is completely turned on like this always. Now after we have done this, see if that fixes it for you. If it still doesn't, what you have to do is call this number here where it says call us 855-431, and the rest you can see like right here, and explain that they will need to manually change your Doordash location because you have changed to a different area and it's not updating it for you when you're using the application. Once you explain this to them, they will require some more information about your account and they will assist you in changing the location. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.